is for apple.
C-E-R-G.
B is for ball.
C is for cat. C, D, E, F, G.
D, E, F, and G. H is for house. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mouse. J is for jam. Boing! J is for jam. A is for kite. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. S, T, U, V, and W. Now I know my ABCs. Now I know my ABCs. X is for xylophone. Y is for Z is for zebra. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hooray! We did it! We are the alphabet from A to Z.